Model, 54 Plate Ford Transit 352.4 tddi Luton Box Van Tail Lift Electrical Issue 27K Super Low Miles No Vat. Body, white, Luton Box. Mileage, 27,000. Engine, 2402 cc 2.4 TD. Transmission, 5-speed manual. Mechanical summary: this came in running and driving perfectly genuine, super low mileage. The starter motor was intermittent, so when replacing it for some reason, the fuse box decided to melt and make a small fire. Simple repair. If you know what you're doing, absolute bargain and definitely has lots of life left in it. Condition summary: bodywork is in decent, average condition, reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van. Features: 1 former keeper, Eurostate.